special bird? Can you show your plume? Boo boo! Boo boo! He has a special plume on his head, but he's not going to show it for me. Not when I'm filming. Come on, show that plume. Okay. What the hell are you doing? Oh, anyway, there's the plume. Oh. I just think I'm going to aggravate him. He's never going to show the full plume. Okay. Oh. Just leave him alone. Let's go to my second favorite bird. Oh, what bird is that? I'll tell you. Clearly a watery bird. What bird might it be? An auk? A seagull? No. Oh, Sofitel penguin. Oh, going to run down. There he is in his beautiful fountain. Show the plume. Come on. Not going to do it. Okay. 3, 2, 1.